Well, good morning, and it's another day here in Disney World. Welcome to day 4. Well, if you're new around here, click that subscribe button down below. Click that like button so we know you like this video. And click that bell icon so you're notified every time we release a new video. So today is a Magic Kingdom day. We are meeting up with our friends Bob and Ashley. And it's a special day because today is an outfit day. Check this out. There it is. Crystal is wearing her fall outfit inspired by the leaves of Colorado and the Mickey pumpkins of Disney World. She actually has made this outfit also for Ashley, as she's been talking about. So this is the outfit they will be wearing today. They have a monogrammed shirt with Mickey ears on them that are pumpkin Mickey ears. Then she has her Mickey wreath pumpkin ears that she's always had. But yeah, it's such a super cute outfit.
I'm so bummed out that it's going to be rainy.
Yeah, it's literally raining out. That's why we're doing this in here, because it is pouring out. It's not supposed to stop till the afternoon. So we'll see how much we actually get to show you. But here's the outfit. Know that that's what she's wearing.
Oh, and I have a mask.
Oh yes, of course. She has a mask. With a Minnie Mouse pumpkin. There it is. Alright, we're heading out to the parks. Hopefully. Well, we have made it to Magic Kingdom, and now, if you can't see in front of me, Ashley and Crystal in their matching skirts walking around here. We have made it though, so let's get this day started. So first stop at Magic Kingdom is to try the cheeseburger egg rolls again, because they are back open. As you can see, I already ate one. They're still delicious, still good, but know that they are fried, so they're pretty greasy, but taste just like a cheeseburger.
Hello there! It's the only character you care about right here.
Well, right there, we went on a quick little jaunt over to Neverland. Had a fun trip. Hope you enjoyed the queue, as we said the other day. Never seen it. It's a very nice, pretty queue. But now we are heading over to Big Thunder Mountain. We're gonna jump on that because we gotta go on the wildest ride in the wilderness. Those cheeseburger spring rolls were not quite enough. We're gonna hop on a boat and head over to Geyser Point at Wilderness Lodge, get us a bison burger. the Geyser Point bison cheeseburger. I don't know, Crystal I think's been craving this thing for like a year, I feel like. So she's quite happy she's getting one. But I'm starving, so I'm gonna go eat. Well, the bison burger has been eaten. We are heading back to the boat dock. Bob over here did not eat all his burger though. I feel like I got a food baby. Yeah, he is about ready to take a nap. We're gonna jump on the boat, head back over, and jump on Haunted Mansion before this guy gets on his live stream.
tombstones quake.
Spooks of coppers wait and wait.
Happy haunts materialize.
And begin to vocalize. Grim gray ghosts come out to socialize.
Now don't close your eyes and don't try to hide.
For a silly spook, place it by your side.
Shrouded in a dark disguise.
They pretend to terrorize. Grim gray ghosts come out to socialize.
Give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
Well, after another ride on Haunted Mansion, it is time for us to head to Fantasyland. We got some live streamers behind us being all angry.
I don't know who they are.
Yeah, here's this annoying live streamer. He always wants to be in the vlog. Oh, man. His wife's cool.
You guys just got into
All right, let's head to Fantasyland. There's what Crystal got, which was amazing. I was so close. I got 954. I beat Bob up there though. I beat him. I have to say, Crystal here,
I got 100,000.
she has become Miss Consistent. She's starting to get 100,000 a lot.
So I know where every single, like where I'm supposed to shoot in every single room, and the only one I've been able to hit this whole trip is the first room.
Yeah, she does really look like, I think it's the hardest one. So now she can just focus on the other one. She'd be great. All right, we are, I think, going to 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. Not sure where the live stream's heading. All right, well, that is going to do it for today. We are heading home. As you can see, I got the beautiful lady behind me. But thank you so much for coming along. I know it was kind of a jumbled day, but doing the live stream and everything and hanging with Bob and Ashley, it was so much fun. But if you are new around here, please make sure you click that subscribe button down below, click that like button, and click that bell icon so you're notified whenever we release new videos. So thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you in our next video. And for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.
We only need